What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about something I wish someone made it simply when I started setting up this bad boy. Sony A7 IV with the Sony 2470G Master II on a tiny but mighty DJI RS4 Mini. Yes, it's a mini, but trust me, this can handle more than just your phone. Let's get into it. Let's meet the crew. We got the Sony A7 IV, the 2470G Master lens, sharp as heck but still lightweight for a zoom, and the RS4 Mini, aka the gym rat of gimbals, small but packs of punch. Before we throw it all together like a pizza, prepare your camera. Battery must be full, SD card ready to roll, and remove the lens cap. Grab the DJI quick release plate, slap it onto the A7 IV, and just tighten it. Now slide the whole setup onto the gimbals, tilt axis click and boom, we're locked in. Unlock the tilt, then adjust forward and back until the camera stays still like a Jedi mind trick. No tilting, no drama.
It's my new beginning. It's my new beginning, yeah. It's my new beginning. Hello, future waving. Time to turn the pages. Tell me what you're waiting for.
Now the roll, left, right, until it's seat balance. Easy, like balancing your diet. Except this actually works. Last one, the pan. Tilt forward a bit and make sure it's not awakening like a Tarzan. Now for the fun part, power it on and hit auto tune. The RS4 Mini will do its little wiggle dance, and boom, you're dialed in.
With every breath, I got a fire. Gotta let it out. Can you feel the power? Can you hear?
I usually leave it on a medium or high motor strength. With this lens, it's not a featherweight, but it's not a 72-headed either.
Can you hear the sound? Hello, future waving. Time to turn the pages. Tell me what you're waiting for. New beginning. Hello, open window. Shining through to my soul. I couldn't dream it anymore. New beginning.
The DJI RS4 Mini introduced a significant enhance for solo content creators, the RS Intelligent Tracking Module. This optional accessories enables the gimbal to autonomously track human subjects, maintaining them within a frame without external assistance. Key features of the RS Intelligent Tracking Module: autonomous subject tracking, equipped with its own camera and DJI's tracking technology. The modules allow the gimbal to follow moving human subjects from over 32 feet away without relying on the DJI Ronin mobile app. Gestures control. Users can start and stop tracking remotely using an open palm gesture, facilitating hands-free operation, a valuable feature for solo filmmakers. Enhanced tracking performance. The module offers improved responsiveness when capturing fast-moving subjects, ensuring smoother and more reliable tracking.
Dream it anymore. New beginning. It's my new beginning. It's my new beginning, yeah. It's my new beginning. Hello, future waving. Time to turn the pages. Tell me what you're waiting for. Hello, open window. Shining through to my soul. I couldn't dream it anymore. Running free, not holding back. With all my heart, with every breath, I got a fire, gotta let it out. Can you feel the power?
The RS4 Mini is available in a different configurations. Standard package includes the gimbal alone at a price of $369. Combo package includes the gimbal, the RS Intelligent Tracking Module, and the mini briefcase handle at a price of $459. The Creator Combo adds a smartphone holder to the combo package at a price of $478. These packages are available through DJI's online store. And that's it guys. Fast and easy, no sweat well, unless you are shooting all day. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe for more camera hacks, and comment below if you got questions or just wanna roast my balancing skills. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.
It's my